appreciate it.
Thanks again.
Thank y'all again. We're going to do a little more music and y'all hang out. We appreciate you coming out.
Hey there, lonely girl. Here we go.
He broke your heart. You seem so lost each time you pass my way. Oh, how I long to take your hand and say, don't cry. I'll kiss your tears away. Hey. This lonely boy loves you. You think that only his two lips can kiss your lips and make your heart stand still. But once you're in my arms, you'll see no one can kiss your lips the way I will, the way I will. Hey, the lonely girl, let me make your broken heart like new. Hey, the lonely girl, don't you know this lonely boy loves you? Don't you know this lonely boy loves you?
Thank you very much, y'all. Do a little bit of stylistics for you here. Make me feel brand new.